Thank you very much. Okay, I'm not going to start until our Agricultural Commissioner, Adam Putnam, joins me right up here. Adam, come on up here. Here he comes. Okay, I want to, obviously you can tell I'm taking this casually. Welcome to Tallahassee. I want you to know just one thing. We're all about trying to help families or small business owners connect with that next dream that they've been holding. It may be the time that that young couple has a first chance to buy something of their very own. It may be a family that's growing and needs something a little bit bigger. It may be the small business owner that finally has built enough that they can have something of their own for their own shop. Whatever these dreams may be, there's only one person that can facilitate it from the dream to reality, and that's you. So when you're here today with us, you're the one that's honored. You're walking these halls and you're speaking politely and kindly. But what we know is it's you that's making the difference. You're the ones who are making it happen. You're the ones that somehow can work the psychology of someone to finally say, yes, this is the house. You're the ones that work the magic of someone coming to grips that it's time to make the call. You're the ones that bring the inspectors together, the financing together, all the attorneys together, all the objections together, and you pull it off. Not for yourself, but for a fellow Floridian's dream to become a reality. So in this place, in these buildings, it is our responsibility to quiet ourselves, to listen to your wise counsel and create policy that can make your client's dream come true because of your hard work. It is our job to listen now and follow your wisdom. Thank you for being with us.
Thank you, Jeff.